Delta local councilor don't beat him wife. We just dey raise, in fact, we just dey put beasts as leaders for this country. And person where they talk about, hi, una no go believe am. Him name first of all na Honorable Christopher. Honorable, the other to him name. And this one now, they just recently given this position as local government chairman. Recently, 6th of this month, 6th. As I dey talk to una, he never even reached 2 weeks. When they give am this position, now so they come call us. Say, abeg make una come neighbors come outside, they make noise. I say, wetin happen? Now so they come dey give me gist too. Say this man beat woman. If una see how he beat the woman, he beat am so tey the woman go unconscious. He dey bleed. Omo, the beating no be here. They manage carry this woman go hospital. This man go back to that hospital, remove the woman. We don't know where the man go carry the woman. We don't know where this man don't carry this woman now, so they talk to una. So now they don't call me, say, Madam Aproko, push this thing because we need justice. Now I say I go bring her outside. So I bet for now, we don't know who be Honorable Christopher and his wife, where they don't bleed. The woman say, come they look like animal. I bet join me, make we watch the video. Abi when they see all these animals they marry. I know they understand though. Abi una go meet 1 week because he get money, una go just jump inside marriage. Una no go know the person very well. Although I know say sometimes they take 20 years before person go do something. But at least some signs, you suppose don't see some signs. Maybe how the person they take get angry, how the person know they react or something. I know just see how human being beat person. I know just no. I dey try breathe. I dey try this one. He reach to breathe. Person where you love. Some of them say when they call each other my best friend, my best friend. Your best friend I beat you like this. Then I beg I don't want to get best friend. I like to be best friendless for this life where I come. And as for this woman, now you they shout, hey, I want justice, I want justice, I want justice. Not only justice, you go soon want a maker. This justice now where you define. I hope say tomorrow you know go come outside, they tell us say, hey, we should mind our business. The thunder will go strike that your bleeding body. Because I dey vex. We go help them now pursue this matter, make justice come. They go even, sometimes they go sentence the man for prison. Sometimes this one. Just give them 2 weeks. Not be so the last one come. I have settled with my husband. I have settled with my husband. You people should leave us alone. Try am. I go carry all your generation. I go join them with thunder. Throw am on top your head. Now we dey bring you justice. Not be justice you dey find. We be good people. And as for Chairman Christopher, they just two. In fact, you never even reach 2 weeks now. From 6th of March, you never reach 2 weeks. They appoint you inside that place. You never even famous reach Davido or Wizkid. You don't make person bleed. Let me say if you come famous, you will remove the woman's head, go use them for sacrifice. Funny enough, men like this, they know. No, check him. Make him and his fellow man get issue now. He go run, he go jackpot, he go disappear. You know go get strength to fight. You know if you face your fellow man, but now woman now, you don't come they show your morale. See your face when squeeze like orange. Your best friend, your this one, you now. I bet women, una follow join inside this matter. You understand? I bet make una help us. Save us from these heartbreaking domestic violence stories. Save us. Train your children well. Train your sons well. Una go dey train beast. Are they very, very serious? Because it is how you train your child, and that's how you will grow with it. If your husband dey beat you in front of your child, no, wetin you expect say that child go do? He go carry the same habit. He go carry am. So abeg, do something. We still have, at least, I no say e don spread, but at least we fit prevent the next generation from coming with this attitude. Train them well. A man is not supposed to raise his hand on a woman, no matter what. By now, una suppose know women. We, our mouth, once a man say A, we don't reach Z sef. In fact, if another letter dey after Z, we don't pass am. Una suppose know us by now. And una suppose take us like that. We, our power na our mouth. Our power na our mouth. Once we don't talk, no, na to shout, we go shout, finish. Now, why did they talk say, man, if you know say, you know sabi apologize, even when you know they wrong, and you know they patient, abeg no marry. No marry. Because your woman go offend you, now you go even say sorry. Even when now you offend the woman, you go still say sorry. See, if that sorry no dey your mouth, if you know they used to that, I'm sorry, baby, no marry. Because we are like that. Even God will create us. Not be waiting they talk. They say even God will create women. God never understand us. God will bring us so. He never understand us. Now you won't understand me. Who are you? Who you be? Be you who? I beg. Because I bring this matter because we need, in fact, where he head day, Christopher, we dey look for this man. I even hear saying a drunkard, he dey drink. This man dey wobe like say tomorrow no day. I no go dey beat you, and you too, you go still sit down inside that relationship. Wetin concern me? I don talk am before. I know they lie, they put my mouth for marriage matter. You understand? But I'm too good. My heart is too soft. I go just talk something now before you know I don't bring her out again. How for do, my people? We go help each other. You understand? So I beg, help me share this video because this man, whether not to remove him from that position, I be not to put her inside prison because nobody there above law. Now waiting with the target now. So I beg share this video so that everybody go know say we dey look for her and Nigeria government go put am where it belong. Very, very important. And if you never subscribe, how you want to get gist like this? No make I vex with you. Sorry, I dey play, you understand? Una sef no dey do like that. Subscribe na. Every day I go dey bring una better things, dey make una dey laugh. Una no go just click on that thing. Just click am, I be your person na. I don't understand. And still drop that comment for that comment section. I go reply una one by one as usual. Stay tuned for our next story.